Meaning of deoch and doris.
Deoch and doris.
Deoch and doris.
Deoch and doris.
Deoch and doris. Deoch and doris is a traditional Scottish phrase that translates to drink at the door. It refers to a final drink taken before departing from someone's home or a pub. The phrase is often used in a celebratory or jovial context, suggesting a sense of camaraderie among the drinkers. Taking a deoch and doris can be seen as a way of cementing the bonds between friends or acquaintances, and it is viewed as a sign of warmth and hospitality in Scottish culture.